Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to generate images using the Google Gemini API. So first we will go to Google AI Studio, and here in the studio section you can see there are different models available. So just go to Gemini 2.0 and there you can see Gemini 2.0 flash preview image generation. So you have to select this, and then using this model you can generate images. So what we'll do is, when you go to the documentation section, then in the image generation section you can see there is a code which is given. With the help of this code you can generate those images in Python. So I'll open up Visual Studio Code, and in the new folder create a new file called as app.py, and then what I'll do is I'll just copy this code and I'll paste it here. So all the packages are installed already, so make sure you have also installed all the required packages. And now this code won't run because it doesn't have an API key, so here we have to enter our API key. So to get the API key you have to create a Google Cloud project, and then once you create a Google Cloud project you have to go to the dashboard of Google AI Studio, and there you can just click on create API key and then search up for your Google Cloud project. I already have one, so Gemini Test 2025. So I'll just copy this API key and I'll just paste it here. So API key equals to this, and now I'll run this run this program. So image will be generated of a pig with wings, and a top hat, flying over a happy futuristic sci-fi city with lots of greenery. And this will take time. It also depends upon your system specs, and it also depends upon the internet speed. So this will take time because it's more complex than text generation. And the image will get saved as Gemini native image.png. Okay, you can see that image has been generated and that image also got opened. This is how the image was generated, and when I see, and you can see the response from Gemini that I will generate this image, and you can see here Gemini native image.png. If I tell it to generate it again, like right now, so it will generate a different image, but the theme would be same, but the background might be different, and then the position of the pig might be different. You can see the image has again been generated. So yeah, and it also get opened automatically because at the end we are writing image.show. So this image.show opens the image when it's generated. If we don't write image.show, it will just get saved in a folder called as Gemini native image.png. So this is how you generate images using the Gemini API, and for this there is a specific model which is Gemini 2.0 flash preview image generation. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you like my content, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.